At Raleigh Reclaimed, we make custom furniture and supply architectural materials for commercial and residential spaces. Beyond reclaiming materials from old barns and mills and warehouses, as well as reclaiming trees and salvaging those, it really means a return to what craftsmanship used to be and the kind of quality and the processes that we all think about our grandparents employed when they were crafting things. I think everybody feels like it's the right thing to do, both for the planet and for generations to come, as well as those around us. Smoky Hollow really is a perfect example of how you can, on a commercial scale, use local craftspeople, use materials and talent to make a project look completely unique and different from any other space.